And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my roller skates. It's actually something that I got when I was 8 years old, but I learned how to do it when I was 11, basically this year. It's actually 2 days ago. I didn't find any tutorial that would help me, but I thought to put a tutorial that I'm doing so maybe people like me can, learn it. And if I get a link of this shoes, then I would surely put in the description box. And yeah, okay, so I have my shoes over here. These are the skates, my roller skates. It's actually a good thing. I mean, not really a good thing, but it's good quality. It's of the 𝓣𝓾𝓽𝓸𝓻𝓲𝓪𝓵 brand. And if you're wondering what this is, it's actually the mic. And they're done. I have my shoes. So what I do next is actually I move this oh, you guys can see me. Remove this thing, move this down, and then the wheel pops up if I press this button. Yep, that's it. And I'll do the same thing with the other leg. Move this up and press the button. I use this pressure. Yep, there, I got my wheel. And now I'm gonna go into a more solid place so I can, use this because it won't work on grass. Yeah, I'm in the lawn of my new house. So yeah, let me go to a better place. So guys, here we are. I'm gonna be showing you how I do this. So first of all, I started with, we have this arc in the corridor from the kitchen to the hall. I used to hold on and then, kind of push myself. And I go like that. And I go front. That's actually what I did to learn how to actually balance on this. But first, when I got this, what I did was go on both the legs in the same level. I didn't really get balance. So 2 days ago, found out that I can have my left foot from the front and then right foot in the back. You can get equal balance in front and back. So that was actually a good idea, and that's what I did. I have 1 centimeter gap in between my right foot and my left foot. So what I do is I move 10 foot further. 10 foot further, and then I release my toe of my right leg. And yeah, when I do that, I kind of push myself, do this, and then I kind of go for it. So I'll show you in a faster way. Here. That's actually kind of what happens. Well, I can do faster if I would kind of move on both of the legs a bit more further and then go. So here, I can move more further like that, and I have some kind of noise on my left wheel because it's full of dust. So don't mind that. Like that. I guess you might want to practice that for a while, so then you'll get the actual way. Oh wait, I just lost my balance. Like that. And actually, today I was working on going in between stuff, kind of wobbling and also turning, and actually doing a semicircle like this and all that. I also have this ball over here that I was working on with dust. I'll do it from here. Like that. That's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I can do a front wheel, I guess. Over here, if the ball stands properly. It's actually a plastic ball, so it goes really fast. So yeah, I go like this. Yeah. So So that's what I've been practicing on. And I have another ball, which is at home inside. I keep both of them like this, and then I go in between them. That's also something that I was working on. Well, that's actually what was trying to tell you guys in this video. Well, and yeah, also, I know I have said this in the starting of the video, but still say it again in the end of the video, that I'll put the link in the description of most of the stores that I know that you can get the same shoe. Maybe not the same shoe, but like, you know, the same thing that does. I mean, you know, in a way. So, yeah, doing the outro now, because maybe I might do more episodes or something like that about this video. Well, yep. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, and see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace out.